All right, good morning. Welcome to day one of math this week. This week in math, we're going to be exploring a website called didax.com. It has virtual manipulatives that can help you with your math learning at home. So I went to the www.didax.com, hit enter, so I'm already at the website. When you get there, you are going to see a screen that looks like this. I'm going to click on the screen that says free virtual manipulatives and downloadable activities. We're only going to be practicing with the virtual manipulatives. I'm going to click. It's going to bring me to this page. I'm going to scroll down. And we are going to be practicing with the geoboard. So I'm going to click geoboard. When you get to the first screen, it's going to be set up as a circle. So this week, I would like you to use the geoboard to practice making the shapes that we learned about the last 2 weeks. So you learned about a circle. What can you tell me about a circle? It is round. Then we learned about a rectangle. A rectangle has how many sides? 4, and how many vertices? 4. 2 sides are shorter, 2 sides are longer. Square, a square has 4 sides, and how many vertices? 4 vertices are where 2 lines come together to make a point. What makes a square special? All the sides are equal length, so it's different than a rectangle. How many sides does a triangle have? 3. How many vertices? 3. And then the last shape we learned about was a hexagon. How many sides does a hexagon have? Remember, I gave you that clue. 6. 6 sides and 6 vertices. So if you were to start out making a circle, you would need to be on the circle board. What you do to start making a shape is you click on a rubber band. It doesn't matter what color, you just choose one. I'm going to choose blue. You click it and drag it. So you need to hold the mouse or the keypad down and drop it. Then in order to move it, or drag the rubber band, because this is supposed to be a rubber band, click and drag. Now you can either, for the circle, you are going to need to stretch out the rubber band. It's going to act just like a rubber band would. And connect it to each one of the pegs. So I'm going to click and drag. I'm not going to do the whole thing, I'll just do this part to give you an example. And once you click and drag to every peg around the circle, it'll turn into the shape of a circle. Circle is curved. If you make a mistake, you just hit the back arrow. If you want to start over, you hit the restart button. To make your other shapes, you will need the square geoboard. Once again, you choose a rubber band. I'm going to choose green. Click and drag it to drop it on one of the pegs. Then I stretch it out. If I was going to make a square, I would need to make sure all the sides are the same length. So if I click and drag my rubber band over 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, the next side would also need to be 4 pegs long. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click and drop, drag my rubber band. Whoop, that one's not 4, that's 1, 2, 3, so I need to drag it up 1 more. Then click, drop, and ooh, it's acting like a rubber band. To see if I can get the right rubber band. There we go. That's not where I want it. There we go. So now I have a square that is 4 pegs long on each side. Now I could also make a square using 1 rubber band. I'll show you how. Remember, you hit the restart button to start all over again. I'm going to use yellow this time. Click and drag my yellow. Oh, didn't click that time. Click, drag the yellow rubber band onto a peg and drop it. I'm going to pull the bottom of the rubber band down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to stretch out my rubber band. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop it. Click right here, drag it, and drop it. So that's 2 ways how you can make the shapes. Once you practice making the shapes for the week, there is a link at the bottom of my teacher page of different shapes you can make. You see, like one looks like a rocket ship, a house, a ship, and an umbrella. So you can either choose one to make or all of them. Take a picture of your favorite one and send it to me. You can also explore the website using the other manipulatives if you have time. That's all I have for today's math lesson, and I will talk to you later. Bye.